Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we'll talk about a popular winter vegetable. We all use it in our kitchens and it is also very easy to grow. I hope you all understand this is the tomato plant. And my mom grows these tomato plants from the seeds of the tomatoes that she buys in the market. But there are some rules that you must follow while growing these tomato plants. Such as while growing this tomato plant, you have to give nitrogen-rich fertilizer. If you are an organic gardener, then you can use tea leaf compost or leaf compost. If you do not have those, vermicompost and kitchen waste compost also works fine. Here my mom has given tea leaf compost. After your plant is big enough, another thing that you have to remember is that make sure to cut the lower leaves of your plant. This will help your plants get bushy, healthy and more branchy. Not only lower leaves, but if your plant also has dead, damaged or dry leaves, make sure to remove them. Look at this small plant, it has already started fruiting. But it is always preferred to grow your plant before any kind of fruitings. Also, some common things that you have to keep in mind is that this plant likes moist soil, good kind of manure and some good amount of sunlight. Also, when I say good sunlight, I mean 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Also, do not water the plant from above, always water it from the soil. That too in the early morning. When you do overhead watering, your plant has a bigger chance of getting insect attacks. After growing our plants a little bit, our plants have gotten some flowers. That means it is the time for giving another manure. As my mom is an organic gardener and we make all our manures and fertilizers in our house, my mom will give kitchen waste compost. The kitchen waste compost fulfills all kind of micro and macronutrients, even though it is slow working. But kitchen waste compost is the best manure. And do you know the best thing is that you can make kitchen waste compost in your houses free of cost. If you want to know more about this kitchen waste compost, then make sure to go to our channel. There are many videos. Also, those who watched our last year's videos about tomatoes, you will know how many tomatoes we get from our gardens. You can still grow your tomato plants from seeds right now if you want. Or you can buy a plant from nursery. This is a video of our last year's tomato plant. And that is only one plant. We have many tomato plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.